everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of our Ooty vlog. Hello, good morning. So it's day 2 in Ooty. So I woke up at 5 a.m. It was so cold. It was very cold over here. So now we are getting ready and we are going for a sightseeing. I'll show you the morning. It's so beautiful. Now we are on our way to Dhodapatta Peak point. So Dhodapatta is the highest mountain in the Nilgiris mountain and it is the second highest peak in South India and the highest peak of Tamil Nadu. Doddabetta is located 8,650 feet above sea level. We have reached Dhodapatta Peak point. Now we are going to climb a few more steps to see the view. We are having some snacks at Tamil Nadu Tourism over here. Now on my way to see the telescope, which will give the view. So there was a huge line for the telescope view, so we skipped that part. So on the left side we can see is Avalanche Dam and in the center we see is Mukurthi and on the right we have Ooty town. So we are done viewing the Dhodapatta Peak. Now we are going to see tea factory and chocolate factory. Now in chocolate factory.
22 kilograms milk powder are the three ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 48 and further grinding to a liquid paste. Cocoa bean roasting is done at 135 degrees Celsius, where beans are roasted and once roasted beans are broken with milk. Then they are grinded at 50 degrees Celsius in ball mill machine, and then cocoa bean is liquefied when grinded with heating. It is called as cocoa mass. In conching of milk chocolate, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass. Benchmark Chocolate Factory. Cocoa tree in India is an intercropping plant, and these cocoa pods are harvested when bright yellow. These pods are broken, fermented, and sun-dried and shipped to the processing center. Chocolate is a preparation of roasting of cocoa bean, breaking the cocoa beans and winnowing the dust kernels, the dust and particles, and further grinding.
We got free chocolate bars for each of our tickets. The chocolates tasted really good. Having some raw mangoes. Now we are on our way to tea factory. In the tea factory, we were able to see how the tea leaves are being processed to get tea powder. On the chocolate museum to buy some chocolates over here. The chocolate store is connected with the tea factory. They had a great variety of chocolates and they were really good. So we are done with shopping in the chocolate museum. We got some chocolates.